Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And today I'm going to show you how to make these link-shaped earrings. So whether you're a expert laser machine user or you just now beginning, you just got your first laser and you want to dip off into making some acrylic jewelry, or you want to use some woods and stuff like that, this video is for you. I will be using CorelDRAW for this design, but you can use these same steps in any other graphic software design. As long as you know how to use it, it's the same type of steps. It's very simple. So yeah, let's jump into CorelDRAW and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I did. And it's one little step in there that you're gonna be like, really? That's what you do to make it link together like that? It's definitely gonna blow your mind if you don't know. All right, so now we are in CorelDRAW and we're gonna make a hexagon. That's a shape that has 6 sides. So the first thing we're gonna do is go over here to our little polygon thing right here. You're gonna click it and we're gonna make sure this is 6. So we're gonna put in 6 and we're going to hold the command button down on the Mac and we're gonna draw us a perfect hexagon. We're gonna make it about, somewhere about, I mean, you can make it whatever size you want. We're gonna go about 1.5 and 1.3. All right, so we're gonna go right here and we're going to put 90. And we're going to basically flip it. Press return. While that's selected, let's make it a hairline. And we're going to, let's put this in the center. So we're gonna go up here to alignment, center to the page, and let's zoom in a little bit, make it fit. So let's zoom out a little bit. All right, cool, right there. We're gonna put a contour inside of this. So we're gonna select it. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna press contour. We want to make sure that we are in the inside of it, and we're going to go about 0.15 on the inside. You press it and there it is. You got your contour in the inside of it. Let's move it over something like that. So we're going to select it. We're going to go up here to object. We're going to break contour apart. It basically breaks it apart so you can move them or do whatever you want to do with them. So now we're going to create some circles. So we're going to select a circle right here and we're going to hold command down. We're going to draw as a circle. Let's make it a hairline. The first circle is going to be 0.15. I'm going to go over, press 1.5, and go to the bottom. I'm going to make it 0.15 while it's still selected. Go up here to edit. We're going to copy. We're going to edit. Paste. So now we can just move one of the circles over. All right, cool. While that's selected, we're gonna draw 2 more circles. So we're gonna select the circle and we're gonna draw some smaller circles. Let's make those some hairlines. And these smaller circles is going to be 0.06. We're gonna do 0.06. Same thing. Edit, copy, edit, paste. So now we got these 2 circles. We're gonna line them up in the center of these other circles. As you can see, it says center and it lines it up right in the middle of it. Let's zoom in a little bit. So we're gonna select one of these circles and we're gonna line it up right on the line where it says edge. We're just gonna line it up on the line. Zoom out a little bit. We're gonna select everything. We're gonna go up here to alignment. We're gonna align centers horizontally. And it basically puts it in the middle. So let's move this circle over here for right now. So we're gonna take this whole thing right here. We're gonna select it. We're gonna edit, copy, and we're going to edit, paste, and we're going to take it and we're going to move it over here to the side. So that's going to be the other earring for right now. We're going to come back to that one. So we're going to select this one and we're going to line it up right on the edge. Well, matter of fact, let me zoom in so y'all can see. There we go. We're gonna take this circle, put it on the edge, and you see it's on the edge right there. Then we're gonna select both of these little circles right here, and we're going to align them in the center and align them horizontally. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go over here, we're gonna select this virtual segment delete tool right here, and we're just gonna go through and we're going to delete some things. We're gonna delete this one. We're gonna delete that line and the line in the center like that. Go over here, take that edge off, take that edge off. As you can see, it's coming along. So we're gonna take this one, I'm gonna take this one, the one in the center, and then this one right here. Zoom out, as you can see, coming together. We're gonna go over here to this one, segment delete tool, delete, 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 that side over here, just like that. So as you can see, this is basically the design right here. This part right here is gonna connect to this part right here with the jump rings. And then this one right here is gonna be where you wanna put it in your ear or whatever. The secret to making it link together, so we're gonna go over here and we're gonna select this 2-point line and we're going to take it right here on the edge and we're basically going to connect it somewhere on the edge just like that. We're gonna make it a hairline. This line right here is the secret. So basically it's going to put a little cut line right there. And we're gonna take that part and put it right over this one. But that's the secret to this right here. It's just a little cut line. Makes it very, very hard to see. Make it look like it's all together. So you can use 2 different colors of acrylic or whatever. This is gonna be one side of the earring. What I like to do is, let's zoom out. And we're gonna take both of these, let's move them up. While it's still selected, we're gonna edit, copy, then we're gonna edit, paste. So this is gonna make the other side of the earring. So then we're gonna take this one right here, right? So you wanna do a mirror like this. It'll cut on this side. This is basically how you design all these linked earrings or whatever. You can do the same concept to circles, triangles, whatever shape you wanna do. You add that little cut line through it, and then we're gonna show you how to put it together. So let's cut this stuff out. So for these earrings, I'm gonna be using some black and white 1/8 inch thick acrylic. So we're gonna start with the black first. Slide a little piece in there, line it up, something like that. All right, cool. It's a fresh piece of black. I probably could have found one that was a little bit old pieces that I could use, but I ain't got time. Slick rushing right now. We got our design over here. Just line it up somewhere like that. Ready to cut. Got our settings in there, black. We're ready to go. See it lighting up, let's go. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn my vent on. I almost forgot. Probably get a little loud in here. Cue the music. We got this one right here already put together. So as you can see, the hook is on there. We got 2 jump rings and it's basically hooked together. And you see the little split right there. Everything to put together. We got 2 jump rings right here. We got the earring hook. This is what I was talking about with the split on this side. And then as you can see, we got the split on this side. So basically, if you see how this one is, the split is behind the black acrylic on this side. So we're gonna do the same thing to this one. So it's basically gonna be kind of like this. See the split right there is gonna be behind it on this side. So basically what you do is you take this one, you put it on top and you open it up a little bit. Make sure you don't break it. Put it back, put that one in the back, and then you have it just like it. See how it is? It's on the back of this side. So you have this one behind this one on this side, and you have this one behind the black on this side to kind of give it, you know, look and make it link together. Thing you do is you want to take your jump rings. We're gonna open it up and let me see if I can get in close for y'all so y'all can see. And we're basically gonna take one of the jump rings and we're going to feed it through the top one and then have it where it's coming up under the other one. Work it. It's a little tough, but once you get it, you got it. So it's better to use some type of tools. So I want to get it close enough like that. So we're gonna take that one. We're gonna take this one, work it together like so. All right. As you can see, it's hooked together. Then we got this smaller one. Open our jump ring. We're gonna feed it through the loop. Then you wanna take it and put it at the top of this one. Feed it through. Yep, you wanna hold this. You wanna do the same thing. Link it together. Boy, this is the rawest video I think I have ever made right here. I ain't trying not to cut none of this stuff up cause I wanna get it out. Hold up, almost breaking it. It's a real small jump ring. There we go. And there you have it. And this is the other side of it. Can't get this open. I need some pliers. This is a brand new can. I can't get it open and I don't know where my pliers is, so we'll have to use a little bit of E6000. Wipe off that excess edge of it. Let it sit for a little second. And then guess what? We're gonna peel it off. There you have it. make some acrylic earrings, linked earrings. I don't know what I'm gonna call these. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below on what you think about these earrings, or if you want to see me do any other projects, start to finish, just let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next one. Let's go make something else.